Alright guys, we are here at the Fort Myers train show. Scale rails, my first scale rails since 2005 actually. There are actually only two operating layouts, JIF lug and an end scale layout. Both are magnificent. JIF lug's actually a one-man show from David Glenn over there. Pinellas County, Tropicana, and one of the dueling yards are on display. A lot of what you've seen here has actually been seen in NMRA, but it's nonetheless magnificent. Gotta love it. We have our Blue Box GP40. I say Blue Box because I found the Blue Box with the same road number, Tampa one year. Pulling a couple reefers, and we have our little Q450 pair here. For the first time, I got two of my rebuilt GEVOs together for a train. It's a very gray train, but it's what I have. It's what I have that did not get damaged. It's pretty much everything is carnage. So I just whipped everything together real quick to get here. I'll get back and show you guys the end scale. This looks like a very tiny silver star. With, appears to be a Heritage Fleet baggage. End scale is an interesting character.
I think it'd be under the front wheel.
Have a BNSF freight train coming.
Just two.
I can't remember why
Dash 9s. Are those Atherns?
Pardon?
Are those Athern models?
Ocado.
Yeah. Still nice. Got ourselves a three-way meet.
Cool, but I meant it's after, PAD. I had onboard every 2 years. And then
Dealer presence is very good here. I actually scored a couple of cars. I'll show you guys the cars later. Lots of Lego for sale here. And lots of various second-hand trains available. I'm afraid the more I keep filming this, I'm going to be buying more. Oh, okay. That's tempting. That is tempting. But FAC is a concrete line.
Oh yeah.
Yep, $15 later. Incredible. Incredible. Like, I'm not gonna even haggle this because this is already a good deal. Double CSX together for the first time since 2016. And in 2016 they were already so horrible and rugged. They were pre-renovated, pre-rebuilt, so there were huge design flaws back then, but they're resolved now. These are perfect running locomotives. The only limitation is, of course, the battery life. Air fleeting. It's all CSX and Pickle Rick. Fun at the beach, and we got some 1990s construction sets. Mr. Alex. He's a character. If he had a YouTube, I'd tell you to subscribe to his channel. Those hinges are the best. They're the classic. Still have a handful of them on me, so. Picking oranges. It is that time of year. So my CSX power died. Operating a search and rescue mission with the lead end and the high-speed rail set. Very prototypical operation. Very.
Oh, watch the train. Nice talking. Hurry up.
Don't worry, I'll do it in cuts. I pulled with one engine. The trick is you have a rare earth magnet. Ran out of juice. And unfortunately, everybody's starting to pack up. So yesterday, I was at Cal Winter's house running on his FEC Key West extension layout, which was half of the reason why I wasn't able to do both days at the show, let alone bring an entire city. The other half of the reason being grad school. So it was very fortunate that this show arose and exists. Yes, may I help you, buddy?
Can I drive one?
Okay, here. I'll let you take one lap. So you move the left wheel, turn it clockwise. This wheel, turn it clockwise. Yeah, there we go. Careful, you don't want the engine to fall out into a minute. Slow it down, slow it down.
I'm trying to run it out the corner, right?
Yeah. Bingo.
Were you trying to do that?
No, I wasn't.
I know. Okay. I've never heard anybody take it literally like that, but
Yep. Video thumbnail.
And here we thought we were going to get a reckless event.
yeah, you gotta give me my phone number. Thank you.
We were so close to being no.
And here I thought we were going to have a reckless event.
Go mess it
Here,
up.
I'm trying to stop this laugh too. Throwing it on the floor.
Dang it. This is bad. So we were man down. We lost a unit due to a train wreck that happened when trying to shove back to its consist. But anyway, thankful for the opportunity to come out and display here. Very short 2-hour drive. Fun Sunday fun day they call it, and back to the books really, and hopefully the future displays like Plant City coming up in March. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. From Fort Myers, Florida, this is TE out. Alright, so this is something new, guys. Seminole Gulf Railway. My first ever catch of a short line that runs from Arcadia, Florida down to here in Fort Myers. They actually have trackage all the way to Naples. They've inherited this trackage from both the Seaboard Airline and the Atlantic Coastline. In fact, I believe what you see right next to me is the Seaboard Airlines old roadbed, and then behind that, behind the little ditch over there, is the Atlantic Coastline bed. And now it's very difficult to catch freight jobs in the weekends, but there is one train that the Seminole Gulf holds 7 days a week, the Murder Mystery Dinner Train. We're about to catch it right now. All right, when I was off camera, the train signaled its departure, so the long wait is over. 15 years plus of knowing this railroad existing, and I'm finally gonna have a shot in the books here. Notice that the F unit on the north side of the train is unpowered. That's why you're seeing all the exhaust come from the south end of the train.